kept saying, go to Seymour, talk to Seymour. I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, darling, tell me, sweetheart, what's been going on?
Hey, little lady, hello.
Who said that?
You looking cute as can be.
Is somebody in there?
You looking mighty sweet.
Seymour!
No, it ain't Seymour. It's me.
Oh my goodness!
Your friendly Audrey, too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it!
Believe it, baby. It talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with it, doll. Do me a favor. Will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need some water in the worst way. Look at my branches. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady, be nice.
You just want water, right?
Sure do, I'll drink it straight.
My branches are dry, won't they?
Don't need no glass and no ice.
I'll get the can.
Don't need no twist of life. And now it's supper time. Relax, sweetheart, it'll be easier. Come on, join your precious friend and Mushnik. They're right inside. Get off her! Get off her!
Audrey, are you okay?
Yes. No.
Oh, please, don't die, Audrey. I need you. Please, please don't die.
You know, the plant said the strangest thing just now. It said that Oren and Mr. Mushnik were already inside.
It's true. I did it. I fed them to it.
And that's what made it so big and strong and you so famous.
I've done terrible things, Audrey. Not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, which should be very shortly, feed me to the plant so that it can live and grow big and strong and give you everything that you deserve.
Audrey, you don't know what you're saying.
But I do. It's the one gift that I can give to you. Because if I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. So in a way, we'll always be together. You'll wash my tender leaves